Hey there everyone, this is Jessica from DomesticatedMe.com. If you're new to my channel, welcome, bienvenidos. My name is Jessica Flores and I am a beauty-obsessed, fashion-loving, DIY project-making Latina mom from New York City, and I blog and vlog at Domesticated Me. In today's video, I'm talking about one of my absolute favorite online consignment stores, the RealReal. Now, I have featured unboxings from the RealReal many a time on my YouTube channel over the last few years, but this one is a little different. This is a product that I picked up for my youngest daughter, who's about to be 1. So I've purchased shoes and all kinds of luxury items over the years, shawls, all kinds of stuff from them, but this is my first baby item, and it's actually my first kid item, period. But now that I've discovered this little kid section, I'm completely obsessed, and if you are a fashion-loving mom like me, you have to check them out. I will link to the RealReal down below, but I have looked through their items and I am just so surprised at some of the stuff that they have, like really beautiful, nice quality designer items. So if you, again, love designer, then why shouldn't your child wear designer as well? And you get these items at a very discounted price because it's the RealReal. A lot of these things are in amazing condition, so you don't have to feel weird about buying something that has been worn. And especially if they're like baby items, like how many times did they wear them? And it's not like they were, you know, a night on the town. They didn't get any wine on their outfit or anything like that. So yeah, these pieces are a lot of times in like pristine condition. So definitely, if you're a mom, check them out because you can find all kinds of stuff. I saw some really adorable Gucci items, shoes, clothing, accessories. So yeah, I really am. I'm a convert. I am definitely going to be shopping their kids section much more often. So in today's video, I'm going to be opening up the very first item that I've purchased from their kids section. So let's open up and see what I got. So I have my receipt in here in this little The RealReal envelope. My item didn't come in its original packaging, its original box or gift bag or what have you. So as with all of the other items that they sell, The RealReal will send it in their own dust bag. So I appreciate that. And then, I don't know if you can see the pattern here, but if you see the pattern, then you already know what designer this is. This is, yes, this is a Burberry piece, and it is an adorable, ridiculously cute Burberry skirt. So right away, I'm seeing that it is in amazing condition. It's so adorable, so cute. I love the little detail here with the little black leather and gunmetal buckle. How cute is that? I love gunmetal, and this is just super adorable. Again, this is Burberry. It's for size 12M, 12 months. And then here is the tag from the RealReal, an expert behind every item. This item cannot be returned once this tag is removed. I'm going to go ahead and remove it because it is in perfect condition and I got a really great deal on it. I had some credits to use up on the site, and you know that there are sales going on all the time. So I got this, I think, for an additional 20% off with whatever coupon code that they have available. I'm going to, again, link to the RealReal down below. If you haven't shopped from there, please sign up right away. Even if you're not a mom, if you're just a fashion lover, definitely check them out. You have to sign up to be able to look through, I think you have to have an account to actually look through their items. Pretty sure that you do. You have to sign in. But it's free $99 to create an account. So definitely create an account, sign in, check out what they have. You will love them, trust me. The prices that you can find things, it's just amazing. I actually bought, with the credits that I had, I used up, I bought this, and then I bought another item at a very discounted price, and that item is still coming to me. It's on its way. So once that item comes in, I'll definitely do an unboxing for it, and that one is for me. So yeah, this is the little skirt. I absolutely love it. I think she's gonna wear this for her birthday. It's so cute. I don't know. I'm still thinking about first birthday outfits, but definitely gonna photograph her in this for sure because it's so adorable, so cute. I actually have a Burberry onesie that I don't even think she ever wore. She like grew out of it because I wanted to wait for like a special occasion. And that's the sort of thing that happened. If you're a mom, you know what I'm talking about. I have a ton of things that, unfortunately, don't tell my husband, has tags on it that my kids never wore because they just grew out of it way too quickly, because that's what kids do. They grow. So because I have items like that, I know that there are plenty of other moms like that, and so that's why places like this are amazing, because you can get really adorable, cute items that you are going to love that someone else, never got a chance to wear. And then for the items that you do have, you can consign them on the RealReal and give someone else an opportunity to own them and to wear them and love them after you've either done it or never got a chance to. So really love that. I'm so happy with this purchase. So that was my piece from the RealReal. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe if you're not subscribed already, and click that little bell icon so that you're notified as soon as my videos go out. I create new videos every single week, so if you click that little notification button, you will be notified as soon as my videos go out right in your inbox. And if you did enjoy this video, please give it a thumbs up and share, and also comment down below if you have any questions, comments, requests. I always love to hear from you guys, and all of that really helps me out on YouTube, so I really appreciate it. Click or tap right here to watch my last video, or click down below to watch another video that you might enjoy. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned.